RV life equals Blackstone life? Let's test that theory. I'm counting up 10 of our favorite Blackstone recipes that make RV life a whole lot more easy, delicious, and fun. Let's go. This is RV Life with Kim Hanna, and we are camping on the Pacific Coast this week. Our Blackstone is set up on the old campground picnic table. Nothing fancy, but it completely works. I'm not doing any cooking demonstrations today. I'm just talking about 10 of our recipes that we really cook out here. And if you want to print any of these recipes, I have them all on my website. I'll leave a link in the description below. Let's start with one of our go-to griddle meals when we're hungry, tired, and want no fuss. It's called Cowboy Stir Fry. It's smoky, it's savory, and a little surprising. Potatoes, onions, kielbasa sausage, and green peppers are all grilled up with a little bit of garlic salt and some pepper. Here's the twist. You splash it with a little bit of Italian salad dressing. Trust me, it sounds weird, but it totally works. It's tangy, steamy, and ridiculously satisfying after a day of driving or setting up at camp. Number 2, my Greek pita breakfast sandwiches. This one's not quick, but it's worth it. We save it for slower mornings when we want something that feels special at camp. I call this our brunch bomb. Eggs, bacon, sausage, sauteed veggies, and a creamy Greek-style sauce, all wrapped in a warm pita. It's hearty, saucy, and totally hits the spot when we're not in a rush to move on. Number 3 is cheesy bacon chicken. This one looks messy, and it is. But it's also one of our most made meals when we're boondocking. Chicken, bacon, and diced potatoes all sizzling together, seasoned with garlic salt, paprika, and a little bit of onion powder. Then smother the entire thing in cheddar cheese. It's smoky, cheesy, and super filling. Perfect after a full day outside. And yep, this one was filmed at one of our favorite boondocking sites where we like to set up our full outdoor kitchen. I'll leave a link in the description below. Number 4 is Reuben sandwiches. Some nights it's just me and the Blackstone, and this sandwich is perfect for that. Marble rye grilled with butter, stacked with pastrami, Swiss, sauerkraut, and Thousand Island dressing. This version makes one, perfect for solo campers, but it scales up fast when Pete's hungry or when we're hosting friends. Next up, shredded barbecue beef sandwiches. I love cooking on the road, but I don't always want to start from scratch. That's where these sandwiches come in. I cook up my 2-ingredient shredded beef at home, freeze it, and just reheat on the Blackstone with barbecue sauce. Add a little coleslaw and a bun, and dinner is ready, even if we just rolled into camp. If you want to see how I prep my shredded beef, I've got a video on that. I'll leave a link in the description below. Number 6, cheesy bacon burger toasted wraps. Yeah, smash burgers are great, but I was ready for a remix. We made this version while camping in Kofa National Wildlife Refuge near Quartzsite, and it's officially on the repeat list. Bacon, ground beef, cheddar, all smashed and melted into a tortilla. The wrap gets crispy like a grilled cheese. Add some pickles, ketchup, whatever you want. It's part burger, part wrap, all delicious. Number 7, breakfast burrito bowls. You'll be enjoying these breakfast burrito bowls in about 15 minutes, so don't blink. Eggs, black beans, cheddar, salsa, and avocado, all layered into a bowl for a hot breakfast with 0 wrapping required. Perfect for travel days and easy to customize with whatever's left in the fridge. Next up, beef and broccoli. This one hits fast once it hits the griddle, but you've got to give it some marinating time. Totally worth it. Flat iron steak gets marinated with soy sauce, garlic, ginger, vinegar, and some red pepper flakes, plus a little bit of cornstarch, all right in the bag. It soaks for about an hour so the flavor really pops and the meat gets tender. Then toss in some fresh broccoli, cook it hot, and serve over jasmine rice. Number 9, bacon avocado breakfast burritos. Sometimes you just want to walk and eat. This is one of those breakfasts. Warm, savory, and easy to carry. Cook bacon and eggs on the Blackstone, Layer them into spinach wraps with avocado, jalapeno, lemon, and green onion. It's creamy, spicy, and a total one-hander for your morning campsite stroll. Number 10, Bang Bang Chicken. This is my go-to when we get back to camp late and I want to beat the sunset. Bite-sized chicken, paprika, garlic, salt, it's all griddled fast. Then toss it in a sauce made with mayo, sweet chili, red pepper flakes, and a little bit of honey. It caramelizes right on the griddle and it's ready in 15 minutes flat. Bonus, save some sauce for dipping. Trust me, you're gonna want it. Whether we're boondocking in the desert, parked under the trees, or just pulling into a campground after a long drive, these are the meals that make RV life work for us. They're flexible, filling, and fast. And a lot of them start with prep work we do before the trip even begins. If you want the full ingredients or instructions, all 10 of these recipes are printable on my website. The link's waiting for you in the description below. If one of these recipes stood out to you, leave a comment below. I might turn that into a full video next. And if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. If you want some RV cooking tips and information about gear that we actually use, I will leave a link in the description below for my playlist and I'll see you over there.